Hi, I'm colleague from the OnceHub Support team. Today, I'm going to show you how to block your availability for one-time events in OnceHub. Sometimes you might have an important meeting, appointment, or you might be traveling for business or taking personal time off, or any event that's not part of your regular schedule. But you still want to make sure no one can book a meeting with you during that time. That's where blocking your availability comes in handy. Instead of changing the entire schedule or editing your entire OneSub settings, you can simply block the specific time slot for that date. Now let me show you how you can do it in OneSub. Here you can see I have signed into my OneSub account, and let me go to my booking calendars. 15 minutes virtual meeting. Let me show you the availability for the 15. Let's say for the 11th, I want to end my day by 4 p.m. So I don't want to take any meetings after 4. Let's see how we can do that. So I'm already in the settings for this booking calendar, 15 minutes virtual meeting. Here, I'll come down to availability and location. We need to check how the booking calendar is retrieving the availability. Here you can see it has its own customized availability and location. So let's click on edit. Then let's go to date specific overrides. We're going to do it for the 11th. So let's click on 11th. By default, my availability is 9 to 5. I'll do it for 9 to 4. I'll keep the meeting locations as video conferencing itself and then hit apply and then click on save. Now let me refresh my booking calendar and see the availability for the 11th. Let me quickly change the time zone. Here we can see I do not have any slots available after 4 p.m. Okay, so you need to keep in mind how your booking calendar is retrieving the availability from. Let's say if your booking calendar is retrieving the availability from the profile settings, in that case, you need to click on your profile icon on the top right, then go to Profile Overview, click on Availability, go to Schedule Meetings. Here you can add the date override. So for the 11th, let me add it till, let's say 3 p.m. Hit apply. Let me quickly check if I've changed the booking availability retrieving from user profile settings. Yes, I've done that. So now let's refresh the booking calendar and see the availability. And quickly change the time zone to US Eastern. For the 11th, I've done my availability till 3 p.m. You can see the last available slot is 2:15. So once you have blocked that time, it will show those times as unavailable to anyone trying to book with you, so that you can focus on your event without worrying about new meetings coming in. And remember, this block affects only your OneSub availability. It doesn't change anything in your connected calendar, so you have full control over how your external calendar and OneSub interact. And that's how you can block your availability for one-time events in OneSub. If you have any questions, our support team is always there to help.